Before natural leather can be transferred to future users, it must go through a complicated process of treatment supervised by professionals. Contemporary tanning craft derives from centuries-old tradition of masters and involves technological advances. Europell Group has been providing the market with carefully selected leather for years. The leather has been prepared in best Italian tanneries and finishing plants. The production process begins with getting raw and preserved cattle skins from verified suppliers from Europe, South America, and Asia. Such raw material is first cleaned from salt. Next, skins are dehaired and degreased. The next step is proper tanning taking place in typical drums. The material is treated with chemical or vegetable tannins for a long time. The tannins make skins soft and decolored. Then the leather is finished so that it would have expected look, touch and structure. Depending on the customer's needs, the products can then be colored, glazed, ironed or drummed at the end. Before dispatch, each product is meticulously controlled so as only products of the best quality would be delivered to the market. Look at our offer of furniture, automotive and leather goods, leathers with a wide range of possible finishing and colours. www.europell.com.pl